Hi everyone, it's Simon Ammons here with episode 16 of Q&A with QuneUp. Today's question is, what are raw materials? Answer, in a broad sense, raw materials are the biological and chemical products used on the production floor at a biopharmaceutical manufacturing facility. By biological, I mean the cells and cell lines that have been specially developed to produce the desired end product, such as insulin or a monoclonal antibody or MAB. As a side, monoclonal antibodies are typically used in the production of cancer therapies for the targeted delivery of cancer drugs to specific cells in the body. By chemical, I mean the compounds used to prepare cell solutions and cell media. These compounds can be in dry form or liquid form. In dry form, they typically have to be added to water or some other type of solvent. In liquid form, however, these compounds have to be diluted to the correct concentration before using. It's really important to store these raw materials at optimum conditions prior to use, whether that is at room temperature, in cold storage, or under dehumidified air to avoid moisture. It's also important to ensure all materials are used prior to the expiration date. You don't want to have negative impacts on your final product. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.